I want to start off this video with a little challenge for the Moore family. If the Moore family can get this video up to easy 500 likes, I'm going to give away the Jordan 1 that we talk about in this video over on Instagram. So, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, give me a follow on Instagram, and make sure you stay tuned because I know the Moore family is going to hit that 500 likes on this video. So, we're going to run the giveaway for this Jordan 1 very soon. And make sure you guys enjoy today's video of this Jordan 1, man, that I'm telling you, get addicted to buying this Jordan 1 because I know I certainly am going to be addicted to buying this Jordan 1. I'm going to go crazy buying them. Make sure you guys watch this video, hit that thumbs up. Let's get straight into these fire Jordan 1s. I can't stop buying this Jordan 1. They are going to continue to go up in price. They'll come down a little bit, but then to the moon they go. So I'm looking to buy pairs of this Jordan 1 right now. I'm going to tell you guys to pick up this Jordan 1 now before it's too late. Trust me, guys, buy this Air Jordan 1 now before it's too late, especially before TikTok gets their hands on this Jordan 1. If you guys love Jordan 1s and you guys love sneaker content, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. So this Jordan 1, man, it's a must-have. It truly is. They recently released. I did pick up some pairs locally. I'm looking to buy more pairs. So if you have pairs of this Jordan 1, hit me up. Shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Make sure you give me a follow first. Then shoot me a DM over on Instagram. Let me know what size, location, and price. I'm looking to pick up some more pairs because this Jordan 1 is going to be one crazy hell of a Jordan 1 investment. I'm excited to see what happens with this Jordan 1. Let's get straight into this Jordan 1 unboxing. Let me show you guys these Jordan 1s. They're crazy. You guys are absolutely going to love them. Let me know down below in the comments if you did pick up a pair. Let's get straight into this. Inside of this Jordan 1 box, we have a crazy Jordan 1 that recently released, very recent, and prices, man, are crazy. This Jordan 1 is selling from anywhere from $450, $475. It's crazy what's going on with this Jordan 1. I did expect this. I told you guys, expect $350 to $400. They're at $400 to $450. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. They remind me a lot of the Mochas. The Mochas, however, were at about $320, and then they went up to $450. Now this sneaker, man, they're already starting off pretty high. However, it's only going to go higher. This sneaker is more limited than the Mochas. This sneaker was quite a bit tougher to get than the Mochas, even though the Mochas were pretty hard to get themselves. This sneaker was a little bit tougher, more limited. It seemed like the hype was just as high. Maybe some people would say even higher. It really is debatable. Man, I did pick up a pair, size 12. I do have, actually, my personal pair. The box is right here, size 11. So here's the size 11 box. I did now pick up a pair, size 12. I picked these up locally. Paid a pretty price for them, but they're definitely going to go up in price, man. They're definitely going to go up in price. I am looking to pick up pairs. I do suggest buying pairs of course, the University Blue Air Jordan 1s, man. Pick them up, guys. Pick them up. This release was crazy. The hype was through the roof, and it's still through the roof. Everybody wants the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. Pick them up now, way before it's too late, because the sky, man, might be the limit with these. To the moon they go. To the moon they go. I can see these going upwards of $700, $800. They're already at $450. $400 to $450. $475, even I've even seen $500. They're already so high, and it's only gonna go higher. Throughout time, they're gonna go higher. I do see them jumping up pretty quickly, like the Mochas did. The Mochas went up a solid $100, $150 in about 3 months' time. I think we might see something similar with the University Blues. Maybe not the same exact thing, maybe the same thing, we'll see. But I definitely see them going up easily easily another 50 to 100 bucks over the next 3 months. Easily. Grade school as well. I am looking to pick up grade school pairs. Grade school is at around $375. $350, $375, $400. I do recommend picking up grade school pairs. I think once TikTok gets their hands on grade school pairs, to the moon they go. To the moon they go. Guys, this is a beautiful sneaker. Take a look at the Obsidian Jordan 1s. Once TikTok got their hands on the Obsidians, that's it. That's it. They went up. Up, up. Grade school Obsidians are worth just as much, if not maybe a little bit more, than men's Obsidians. So it's going to happen very similar to the same thing with these. That blue just pops. That blue just pops. The Jordan 1 pops. It's limited. The hype is there. TikTok's going to get their hand on them. And guys, they go up. They go. Up they go. Take a look at any other Jordan 1s in this colorway as well. It is the UNC blue after all, so it's just going to go up, man. They're going to go up. Buy them now. They're very, very dope. I am looking to pick up more pairs. I did pick up a pair, like I said, locally. Wanted to show you guys. But, like I said, get this advertisement out there that I'm looking to buy more pairs. I'm looking to cook up some pairs. I'm looking to cash people out on pairs. Buy more mochas and buy more of these, man. They're going to go up. Up, up, up they go. And I'm very excited for the ride that they go up to, man. They're going to go up, up, up. Such a clean shoe. I had to buy these. I'm going to be addicted to buy these. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to be addicted to buying the Jordan 1 University Blue. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm just going to make some more content. I'm going to be, like, so addicted. One thing I do want to point out about the sneaker is quality control is not great. I have seen pairs with glue stains and just, you know, some pre-creasing and whatnot, you know, all around the sneaker. I've seen a lot of craziness with this sneaker. I've seen a picture go around with a pair that didn't have stitching, like just craziness going on with quality control of this Jordan 1, but they were tough to get on release. A lot of backdooring went on. Hype was through the roof. The demand outweighed the supply, and it's as simple as that. The sneaker's gonna go up, guys. Trust me, purchase them now. Get addicted to buying them. I know I'm gonna be. So if you're looking to invest, get addicted to buying these because they're just gonna go up. It's a beautiful sneaker. The color blocking's perfect. The blue is perfect. Quality is perfect. Beautiful. Fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. Guys, buy the University Blues now before it's too late. Trust me, and pick them up. Hold them. Let me know what you guys think about the University Blue Air Jordan 1 down below in the comments. Do you think they're going to go up in price? Do you agree with me? Do you disagree? Do you think they're going to drop in price? Let me know. Also, if you are picking up pairs, let me know how many pairs are you looking to pick up? How many pairs are you going to invest in? And make sure, if you're selling some pairs, you hit me up over on Instagram. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.